Hi guys, Bobby D here. Welcome to my video where I'm going to show you how you can earn $2 every minute right now to get you fast PayPal money. Now, this method of earning $2 every minute right now is perfect for anyone who wants to earn quick, easy money. It is perfect if you've got absolutely no experience with internet marketing, if you've never done it, if you've never made a penny online. This is a great start by watching this video, and I'll show you the website you need to go to and everything you need to do. Now watch my video to the end, guys. It's really important you get the whole method. I'll show you how you can make simple, easy money every day. This is a true passive income. You can do it whenever you want, when you've got some spare time, a spare 10 minutes, you're sitting at home on the couch watching TV, you're on a break at work. Use these opportunities to make money. It's exactly what I do. Okay, every opportunity, think about making money. And that's what I do, and that's why I'm successful in what I do. Okay, you can make unlimited money using this, and it's free to start up. Okay, anyone can do this. Now, before we get into the training, guys, please do me a favor. Hit the subscribe button and then hit the bell notification. Why? Because that way I will send you a notification every time I upload a new video about making money online or in affiliate marketing, one of the reviews that I do for the many products that I receive every day. That means you are the first people to see them, the first people to try them out, and the first people to make money. Okay, so hit the subscribe, hit the bell. I would really appreciate it. And the second thing I'm doing for you guys for free is I give away free training. Just go to the comment section or go to the description section and you'll see a link. It's exactly like this. It says get my free training. Hit that and you'll get some free affiliate marketing training. And above it, there's always a product that I highly recommend that you buy that will also kickstart your affiliate career. So guys, hit the subscribe, hit the bell, join my channel. I'd really appreciate it, and we'll get on with the training. Right guys, so the website I want you to go to is remotasks.com. That's remotasks.com. Now this is a website where you get paid for doing tasks. You can get $2, $5, $10. It goes up and up. So how does it work? You're going to get tasks to do. It might be tag an image, transcribe some audio, moderate some content on a blog. There are loads. The only thing you need to do is be able to have a good understanding of English. Simple to sign up. You sign up with Facebook or an email. They've got tons of exams for you to do, to take, to test. Do categories in the ones that you've unlocked, and you get paid weekly via PayPal. So some of the tasks that you're asked to do. Each exam that you do unlocks a task, right? And the exams are super easy. Draw boxes around cars, moderate some content, identify spam, categorize in t-shirts or images. And these are all tasks given by companies who pay for this to be done. Now this is an example of some of the things, and a lot of this will be done for AI bots and robots. This one, will you be asked to draw an image around a car? Simple. The next one is help identify keywords that describe the image. So it would show you, for this particular image, it's a jacket. So you would say, or a coat, you'd say coat, it's purple, it's cotton. I'd say buttons, black. You describe it as best as you can. You'll transcribe some important images. You'll compare a comparison by drawing boxes around objects to see where they are. Audio descriptions, transcribe people's voices, and data collection, where they'll ask you to go and search the web. So most of these things are for AI software. So these are some of the taskers who have joined up. This guy here 2 years ago, Carlos, some really good reviews. So the facts, do I have a minimum number of hours to work? No, you just do the tasks that you want to do. There's an online forum that you can ask help with. Easy to sign up. You sign up, you withdraw your earnings via PayPal once a week. You can do it on your mobile, but it's preferable to do it on a PC because some of the images won't open on your mobile. Yet you get paid. You get more tasks the more exams you do. So make sure you do it. And then you can just grab the tasks that you want. Okay. There is a one-on-one boot camp that you do. It takes 10 days. You don't need to do that. Okay. You actually do not need to do that. So it's a super easy site to get started with. So that was Remo Task. So now I want to show you another one, which is Amazon Mechanical Turk. Now, you may have heard of this. This has been around for a while, and it actually is by Amazon, okay? And it's exactly the same as the other site where you get mini jobs to do and you get paid for it. And so Amazon Mechanical Turk, or MTurk as it's now called, is a crowdsourcing marketplace that makes it easy for individuals to process jobs. So companies will give jobs out exactly like before, simple tasks, check data, do some research, search the internet. Okay, it's really good way of doing it. Companies make the task, they put it to the marketplace, and then you apply for it. Okay, it's that easy. Really good. Super easy to get started. You literally click the box and you sign up for it, and then you'll start getting jobs. So you start off making a worker account. Obviously that's what we want. We're the workers, we're the ones that want to earn the money. And you make a worker account. So with this, once you sign up, it takes about 48 hours for you to get authorized. And finally, I'm going to show you one more website. This is 3 sites I'm showing you to make money. So guys, go to respondent.io, respondent.io. And once you get onto this site, let me just move down there. Once you get onto that site, hit for respondents there. That is us. This is us who wants to make money. And it says get paid for participating in research studies. So sign up for it. And basically you get paid for doing studies. And this is actually a really high paying website. You know, they've paid out over $2 million. It takes 30 minutes per interview and you get paid $140 roughly per one. So once you sign up, you verify your profile, you get matched, you fill out like a questionnaire, you get matched to jobs, and then you participate and get paid, right? All via PayPal. So very interesting website. There's a real good chance of earning quite a lot of money here. There's a Q&A session on here. How many surveys can I take a day? So you're limited to 3 a day. But, you know, there's a good chance of earning money here. This example here, you know, there are $125 per survey, all right? So, you know, serious amount of money can be made doing this. I don't have a PayPal account. You need a PayPal account. Does this work in... what countries does it work in? I think this works everywhere. I'm pretty sure. But you know, one of the most important things is they will check your survey. So make sure you tell the truth in it. You're truthful. You get it wrong. You get it right even. And that way you're going to get paid money. You can also do a referral here. So you can refer other people to this website. And once you do, and they've had a payout, you get $75 for free. So it's another great way of making money, guys. You could refer this to all your friends and tell them about this site. And once they do a task and get paid, you then get a free $75. And that is quite a lot of money. So that's it, guys. 3 great methods for earning even more money online. So I'm Bobby D. Thank you for my channel. Make sure you subscribe. Really appreciate it. Speak to you soon. Thanks, guys. Ignore that. Hit the subscribe button, hit the notification. Cheers, guys. Catch you later.